Okay guys, here's the situation. Let's switch this public type of inheritance to protected one to see what's up. So when you do that, guess what's gonna happen? Let's run this code and boom, you have lost access to this method. Why? Because you are using protected type of inheritance, meaning you totally don't have access to everything that is inside the public section in primary parent class. So that's kinda, well, stupid thing to do, but yeah, you need to know about these things. So how to solve this stuff? Well, here's the situation. You must create, in a secondary class of course, method that will call that method. I know it's weird, but it's how life is. That's workaround. So let's do that. Void, let's call it caller, and that thing will accept actual stuff from reality. Why? So it can run this method, so this method can grab that stuff and flush it here. Like you have chain and command here. So string is a data type, and let's just use X to represent any stuff from reality when we create our objects down there. So here you will not say name equals X. No. This is job of that method. Okay. So the purpose of this caller is to call method that will do stuff. And of course you must pass that thing again. That's how you get the job done. So down there, as I said, you cannot use this stuff anymore, but you can use this color because it's green. Okay. So let's pass some kind of string to it, like Samantha. Oops. And now the thing will work. See, no red arrows here, but no results. Why? Because we have dedicated method that we need to call, and task of that method will be to print stuff on the screen. Okay, of course we're gonna do that through objects. That's the whole purpose of this object-oriented mess. What was it? Print name, without parameters of course, and you'll have Samantha on a screen. So yeah guys, I do know that this is a little bit weird. Just remember that if you wanna use this protected stuff for some reason, maybe if you have coworker, you wanna just send this piece of code to him, like if he don't know what's gonna happen, he will be like angry half a day or something, maybe for that. And some people on internet are actually discussing this stuff. So if you go to, let me resize this a bit. Oops. If you go to Stack Overflow, there is this topic about usability, practicability of protected inheritance. And the dude is obviously angry, blah blah blah, and so on. But there is a couple of answers here that are very interesting. I may be wrong, but I think I read in one of the golden C++ books that, check this out, protected inheritance is almost nonsense and almost never used, like reserved for future usage. Well, there is also a couple of other links. If you have a time, you can check it. So let me actually see what's up. That dude actually found a use case. It still calls it rarely useful. So let's actually check that case. Limiting, blah blah blah. Just a second. Okay guys, I think I found it. Just a second. I'm gonna copy paste. Yeah. So check this out. You have a lot of answers here, but this one is important maybe. I basically use that approach to seal off the old interface. Okay, that's interesting, and expose another one through the derived class. That's cool explanation. And yeah, protected members of base class remain protected in derived class. Well, obviously that's why do we have these issues. Anyway, I don't want to bother you with this Stack Overflow stuff. You can just go and grab this link or this title and the previous one, and you can read about that more. But I don't want to definitely waste your time, because my point of view is that if you see this stuff like that in someone else's code, you will know what's happening. So maybe you will change that code or use completely your own solution. So you can recognize stuff, okay, to evade this kind of mess. As that dude said, you are creating a solution that is hiding like implementation of primary solution before. Yeah, something like that, who cares. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next tutorial, of course.